Welcome. Welcome to the world premiere of Polestar 3. Polestar 3 is our first SUV. And people love SUVs. You get in and out easily, you have great overview from inside, and you feel cool driving them. Let's create the SUV for the electric age. A luxury SUV. First, we make it electric. Put in a battery as a skateboard sandwich between the wheels. And in order to create a nice big interior space and to fit in sufficient dimension battery, we stretch the wheelbase. Then we get rid of one seating row and move the remaining wide apart from each other. Now we have the space to draw a new, more aerodynamic, fast silhouette. This is how we transition from the past to the future of the electric SUV. Here tonight, for once, I would love not to speak about whether we have a pouch cell or a prismatic cell. For once, I would love to speak as if we are beyond that already. As if electrification is normal, a given. To concentrate again on what really matters when you create a new car. What it gives to you, how and what you feel when you drive it, live with it, use it. What a sensation it is to own it. There are 5 human senses. Let's start with sound. What's one good reason people love to spend time in their car? It's the one time of the day when it is okay to be on your own, in peace, where you can relax and just listen to music, your music. You can even sing along. So, let us talk about music where you can enjoy it. With the expertise of Bauer & Wilkins, we created the most amazing sound experience in Polestar 3. A total of 28 speakers driven by a 28-channel amplifier with a total system power of 1,750 watts. This is not just an amplifier, it is a digital sound processor, and it enables multi-channel signals such as Dolby Atmos. Smell. Well, really, this chapter should be labeled no smell. So we made an extra effort to make sure that the air you breathe in Polestar 3 is clean and healthy. Together with Cabin Air and Volvo Cars, we developed the Advanced Air Cleaner, the AAC. The air you breathe in Polestar 3 is cleaned off 95% of fine particles, 97% of viruses, and 99.9% of pollen and allergens. Feel. We designed Polestar 3 for you to feel and to be safe. To do so, we have the best partner you could think of on our side, Volvo Cars. In the unlikely event of an accident, there are up to 10 airbags mounted around the cabin to help reduce and avoid injuries, to protect and save your life. So, with one of the best accident avoidance systems in the world and the backup of up to 10 airbags, you can feel and you are safe in Polestar 3. Feel performance. Come on, it's a Polestar. Of course, we took care that Polestar 3 feels and drives as a Polestar should. With excellent handling and great control, taking the sport in SUVs seriously. Our engineers have spent thousands of hours fine-tuning the character and the behavior of this car. And it's not about impressive numbers of power, torque, or 0 to 100. that is hyped far too often. We believe the excellence in tuning all components with passion and mastery to achieve superb dynamics is what makes the Polestar a true performance car. Sight. By far the most important sense is sight. We perceive up to 80% of all impressions with our eyes. And that is the very reason why design is the central and most important pillar that Polestar is built on. To introduce you to the pleasures Polestar 3 provides to your eyes, I welcome Maximilian Massoni, the head of Polestar Design, on stage.
Polestar 3 is self-confident. Strong graphics and contrast dominate the first impression. The themes are unmistakable, complemented by the smallest details that show our relentless focus and our obsession with quality. To retain the self-confident SUV character on one hand, but on the other hand optimize aerodynamic performance, we gave Polestar 3 wings. This results in lower drag, and lower drag gives us more real-world range. Now, the visual key to identification and understanding of any creature is their eyes. Thor's hammer generated an incredibly powerful and recognizable identity. Polestar 3 takes the first step in this evolution. The space around the dual blade is filled with the latest and coolest in lighting technology. Imagine 1.3 million mirrors. Yes, 1.3 tiny little mirrors that can be individually controlled. Each of them smaller than the diameter of a human hair. They all fit on one single chip that casts a high-definition light beam on the road. This is Polestar's 1.3 megapixel HD headlamp module. In the prime real estate at the front, we've replaced the grille with a smart zone, an area where we cluster forward-facing cameras, radars, and acceleration sensors. From the second quarter of next year, Polestar 3 will also be available with lidar, a state-of-the-art laser scanner from Luminar. Space. Space is the new luxury. The new electric technology base shared with Volvo cars allows us to maximize interior space. We moved the second row rearwards to give us unprecedented legroom in this class of vehicle. We emphasize the physical dimensions with a design theme that encompasses the whole interior and creates a calm and luxurious space. When we designed Polestar 2, we understood that for some things, it's better to team up with the best in their field. And that decision turned out to be absolutely right in many ways. In Polestar 3, the home screen consists of Google Maps and widgets that can be configured for direct access to your favorite apps. As designers, we can make virtually anything look good. This is our superpower. But we shouldn't abuse it. During the design process, we also fell in love with another material, natural fiber composite. Developed by B-Comp, this material is nearly as strong as carbon fiber, but 40% lighter than plastic equivalents. They provide strength, but are entirely natural. In Polestar 3, we're using flax and other natural fiber composites in the seats and interior components. For far too long, sustainability has been regarded an added layer to an otherwise predefined product. But if you take it seriously, and we are taking it seriously, sustainability not only changes the impact our products have on the environment, but inspires us to create entirely new aesthetics. For years we've been talking about this as our vision, but today this vision becomes reality. Back to Thomas.
Thanks, Max. That leaves us with the last of the 5 senses, taste. The design of Polestar 3 is of exquisite taste, and I really hope you agree with that one. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Polestar 3. 360 kilowatt power, 840 Newton meter torque, and a 111 kilowatt hour battery with a range of up to 610 kilometer WLTP, and charging up to 250 kilowatt DC, air suspension, and plenty of equipment. The first year offer includes, as standard, the Plus Pack, with Bauer & Wilkins audio system, soft closing doors, and power-operated steering column, heated everything. And we include the Pilot Pack with Pilot Assist, head-up display, and the Park Assist Pilot. The price for the first year offer, including Plus and Pilot Pack, €89,900. Golden seat belts come with a performance pack, along with 380 kilowatt power and 910 Newton meter torque. It includes the Polestar engineered chassis tuning, astonishing 22-inch polish forged wheels, and of course the golden details for additional €6,600. Start of production will be in mid-2023, and delivery to customers will start in Q4 that year. Polestar 3 can be ordered from today. I'm sure you feel tonight as proud as I do when our new star is born, Polestar 3. Thanks a lot.